Project name is patient stratification by disease prediction from a wide-ranging database program. The main objective of our project is we implement the question retrieval in hospital management system consisting of prediction tool for classifying the diseases. It focuses at delivering the disease and associated risk. Question retrieval and community-based query answering do not work well for long and complex queries. The main reasons are verboseness in natural languages and word mismatch occur between the queries and user question. For risk classification, a medical-related database is used. The patient enters the details about the problem, duration, and affected places. The system analyzes the details and classifies the problem. When the risk exceeds a certain threshold value, when the cases are critical and need immediate medical attention, a list of available doctors with respect to the illness is provided and the patient can fix his appointment. The doctor may need to recommend some lab tests. In existing system, a key concept paraphrasing based approach is used. It overcome the problem of word mismatch, and there is another problem occurred in existing system. The main disadvantage is problem identification in key terms and word mismatch occur, time delay for answers. In literature survey, in privacy preserving patient centric clinical decision, we use the cloud computing method, and mining health examination record, a graph based approach is used. A cost effective clustering based approach. In this approach, we use the k-means clustering algorithm. It is time consuming, and conjunctive keyword search method. It is used for the storing the details in cloud. Proposed system. Admin create the general disease dataset about his hospital healthcare management. Patient can register in the hospital management. After registration, patient can log into the system and he send the details. The system automatically generate the disease name. The online doctor checks the general disease dataset and add the disease details. After checking the patient entry, the doctor will send the solution for the patient problems immediately through mail. A new efficient iterative algorithm is designed based on the health and modified SVM algorithms to produce more accurate recommendation. The main advantages are predicting the accurate output which related to the user questions when number of dimensions is greater than the number of samples. In such cases also, it is found to be very effective. The speed of working is efficient and there is no word mismatch occur. SVM algorithm. In high dimensional space, support vector machines are very effective when number of dimensions is greater than the number of samples. In such cases also, it is found to be very effective, memory efficient, and the main advantage is if any error occurred in the middle of the execution, it will skip that step and it will execute the remaining step and produce the accurate output. This is the architecture diagram. The admin create the hospital management system and upload the details into it. And when the patient register to the system and enter the symptoms, it will produce the disease name by using the modified SVM algorithm. If the patient gets satisfied with this, he can log out, and if he not satisfied, he enter the full details. The available doctor checks and prescription sent to the patient. The patient also some lab tests also take, and the full details are stored in the patient mail. This is the hardware system configuration and software system configuration. The 5 modules are used: admin module, patient module, doctor module, lab doctor, and final prescription. Admin module, admin create the general disease dataset about the hospital management healthcare. The admin can upload the dataset to the hospital management system. Patient module, patient register to the hospital management system. After registration, patient can log into the system and enter the full details about the problem. Doctor module, doctor checks the patient details and add the disease to the set. Lab doctor module, in this module the lab doctor checks the patient details to take the necessary test, and as mentioned by the doctor's prescription, if any test has to be taken for the patient, then the doctor will take the test and send the lab report through mail to the patient. Final prescription, in this module doctor will check the patient full details about the disease and their scan report. After checking all the details about the patient, doctor will send the final report to the patient through mail and update their details into his profile. This is the medical related data set. It contains the disease name and 5 symptoms. The doctor also adds some disease name with 5 symptoms into the data set. Thank you.